This is the shortened camper. I cut off about 1/3, and then I added maybe close to 1 foot. You can see it has a little slant into it where I bowed it out, but that'll be all right. And I've started on framing the door as well. I'll show you that as we go along. But yeah, that's my little makeshift tarp to try to keep the rain off of it. You heard me say you can't make a mistake when you're building a Foamie. Mistake, mishaps, misfortunes, call it what you may. I just take them all as a chance to overcome, chance to learn, something to grow on. The thing about them is whatever you call it can get to be expensive. That's why planning and sticking to your design as close as possible. Your design is the most important step in building a Foamie, and sticking with it, getting your materials, because it can become expensive. So I'm hoping out of my mumble, you will pick something up, learn something as far as doing one portion at a time, completing that before you move on to the next part. Like, I wish I had waited to cut this window in. First of all, I wish I had stayed with the original size plan. But anyway, without further ado, without more mumble, let's go on and get into it. And I like to say, and most of all, if you haven't subscribed and you want to keep up, please subscribe, hit that notification button. At least give me a thumbs up. It helps me out, and it lets me know you are interested in what I'm doing. I do appreciate everyone that has joined my community. I would like to say thanks to A2 viewer 4942 for making me rethink the trailer. I extended it 4 feet, and like you said, I'm going to move the axle back 4 feet. Come to think about it, she's going to be using a Civic to tow this, and I'm sure she has the 5'8" measurements in mind for where she's going to be parking it. I, in my zeal, wanted to extend it, give her more room, and yada yada yada, but I think it's best that I scale it back to 5'8". So I'll be cutting this somewhere in here to make it 5'8", cutting that 4 foot section off. I might make it a foot over at the end, but in the process of doing that, I cut the window out. And I would like to point out something else about this type foam. I do suggest the XPS foam for a lot of reasons. Stability, flexibility, shrinkage, all of that. And the reason I'm saying shrinkage now is after I've cut this out, the window out for this, I've decided I'm going to put it back in place. And what I'll end up doing is gluing it where it's connected, and then just taking great stuff and filling it in and recut it. Right now, basically just marking the areas where I have contact. Since I used it, you see this piece is pretty banged up now on this edge, but be mindful of the fact this is fiberglass. But we're gonna see if we can't see how to repair it. I've got to get me a tripod. Can't be having that. And what I'm trying to do is get this as close as possible, because once I grate stuff this back into place, it will be cut out again using a portion of this, because I'm just going to fill this in and slide the window forward, way forward, because I'm going to recut this one. You'll see. And like I said, once that dry, I'm gonna come back and grate stuff it. We'll be cutting it on this side of the door, probably using that last portion to move it in. I might extend it just a foot. I have yet to place it on the foundation yet, or the floor, so I'm gonna see how it fits. And then we'll get the cut. All in all, I wish I had just kept to original size anyway at this point. I'll have to make some tucks and adjustments, but it's fitting up there in place pretty good. Cut it back. I'm gonna take the ladder and see if I can't reach the top from here, but I hate that I'm gonna lose the size. So it's not big on the inside as it is, but I think I best do that now. I just want to point out, I'm gonna cut it back here to where I extended it on both sides. And at that point, we'll figure out where to cut it on the deck and get it all sized up. Catch the wave, dude. There we go. And now I have to cut across the top, and I'm going to just cut that straight across.